In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. This integration can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing a seamless flow of information between these two powerful tools. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. You'll notice a variety of options, but for our purpose today, draw your attention to the top right corner. Here, you will find an icon that resembles a grid or an arrangement of squares. This is the marketplace icon, and clicking on it will take you to a world of possibilities where you can explore various apps and integrations available for Monday.com. Now, with the marketplace open, it's time to search for Notion. You'll see a search bar prominently displayed, usually towards the top of the page. Go ahead and click into the search bar and type Notion. This will present a list of results that match your query. Considering we are looking for an integration, the result you need should clearly mention Notion along with Monday.com. Click on this result to proceed. Once you've clicked on the Notion integration, you'll be directed to a dedicated page that provides more information about the app. Here, you can read about its features and see how it can enhance your workflow. You should see an option that says Install App. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. The app will walk you through the installation with on-screen prompts, guiding you step by step. These prompts are designed to ensure everything is set up correctly and according to your preferences. Each screen you encounter may ask for permissions or certain inputs required for the integration to work seamlessly. It's essential to follow these instructions carefully. This might involve logging into your Notion account, authorizing the integration, or setting specific preferences about what data you want to sync between the two platforms. And there you have it. With the Notion integration successfully installed into your Monday.com workspace, you can now enjoy the benefits of having these two robust tools working together. Whether you're managing projects, tracking progress, or organizing tasks, this will make everything a lot smoother and more efficient. Remember, integrations like this one are incredibly valuable because they save you time and reduce the effort required to manage multiple applications independently. This specific integration brings together the flexibility of Notion with the organizational power of Monday.com, creating a unified hub for all your productivity needs. If you encounter any issues during the process, be sure to revisit the prompts or consult Monday.com's help